Mabuhay! Welcome to Bonjour Universe. This is your cozy corner of the internet where we explore everything under the sun. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang imperative mood or in French, imperative. Ang imperative or imperative is used when you give a command or order, offer advice or suggestion, give instructions or directions. So sa English, it's do this, go there, be quiet. In Tagalog, gawin mo ito, pumunta ka doon, tumahimik ka. And who do you use it? Who do we use it with? In French, we only use three forms of the imperative. So sa tatlong subjects lang natin siya pwedeng gamitin. First one is yung tu, nous, vous. Si tu is for talking to one person in formal way. Nu naman is for saying let's or kasama ka doon sa topic. And vous is for talking to more than one person or being polite. Paano ba natin pwedeng i-form? So, use the present tense of the verb without the subject tu, nous, and vous. For example, ang par and present form is to par. Ngayon, tatanggalin mo lang yung to. Parle, speak, magsalita ka. Nous parlons, parlons, let's speak, magsalita tayo. Or, mag-usap tayo. Okay. So, vous parlez, parle, speak in a formal or plural way, magsalita kayo. Or magsalita ka. Special rule with ER verbs like parler, aimer, écouter. When using to, drop the final S. To parle, parle. Not parle. Okay? Example, écoute, listen, makinig ka. Regarde, look, tumingin ka. With negatives naman, just put the ne, pa around the verb. So, tandaan nyo si negatives na ne and pa is parang hinahug nila yung verb. Laging nasa gitna si verb. Ne parle pas, don't talk. Huwag kang magsalita. Ne mange pas, don't eat. Huwag kayong kumain. So, magbibigay ako ng mga iba't ibang examples. So, first up is ale, va. Allons, allez, go, let's go. Punta ka, tara. Être, in the to form is sois. Nous form, soyons. Vous form, soyez. Sois, soyons, soyez. In English, be. In Tagalog, maging ka or maging ikaw. Maging ikaw. Avoir, et, ayons, et. It's to have. Magkaroon ka. Faire, fait, faisons, faites. Do or make, gawin mo. Finir, fini, finissons, finissez is to finish, tapusin mo. So, merong iba't ibang short expressions kung paano natin magagamit yung imperative. Okay? So, for example, nag-uutos ka na isara mo ang pinto, close the door. Ferme la porte. Ferme la porte. Pakinggan mo ako. Listen to me. Écoute-moi. Tingnan mo, look, regarde. Halika dito. Come here. Viens ici. Mag-ingat ka. Be careful. Faites attention. So, pataas siya. Faites attention. Kumain ka ng maayos. Eat well. Mange bien. So, let's practice naman. So, try to translate this. Don't talk. Let's go. Be patient. Listen. Don't run. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds and then you can pause this video, try nyo siyang sagutan, and come back na lang if you have answers so we can check. The answers for the first one, don't talk, is Nepal pa. Let's go. Allons-y. Be patient. Sois patient. Listen. Écoute. Don't run. Ne cours pas. And that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo and share to your friends na nag-aaral din ng French. Like, follow, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube account. And then we have also the Facebook page of Bonjour Universe. TikTok also, it's the same name, Bonjour Universe. And don't forget, take one bonjour at a time. Bye!